Hope it's not too cold at this time outside. And now I need to really hurry up because I'm a little bit late. And actually I'm really surprised how warm it is right now. It's really hot here. Or is it because I'm literally running? Well, and I guess I don't need any workout after this. It's so beautiful. It's a shame I don't really have time to enjoy the sunrise. Okay, this view, it's worth every hill I climbed today. So I didn't film a lot. I'll try to make up for this while I'm in the elevator. I went to yoga class. It was amazing, although not very intense, very gentle and mostly stretch. So yoga class was mostly stretching, which I liked. It was pretty cool for 7:30 a.m. workout. After this, I went to a coffee place to do my Portuguese class homework and drank coffee, obviously. Now I'm back home to do, it's only 10 a.m. Well, I really love waking up early. It feels nice when you have done something before 10 a.m. New filming spot here. Well, and that's a shame that I couldn't film it during my yoga session, but it was not only me, there was a lot of people, so I didn't want to make them feel uncomfortable. And I got a message that I've just received the package from Zara, and I'm gonna go get it and maybe film the new dresses if they fit me. If they not fit me, I'm not gonna film. First things first, unboxing. Yes, this is how I usually unpack things. There's a better way probably, I'm not aware. Here's the first dress, and suddenly it's a fashion blog. Well, I'm not sure about the quality, it's not the best, but it cost me like $25, so what do you think? Tell me. Okay, and here's the second one. It feels like it's more my type of dresses, but I'm still not sure. I should do it like this. Return or keep. I'll leave it up to you. And now finally let's make some breakfast because I'm already starving. And I really love to eat fruits before breakfast. I don't really have ones right now in my fridge, but this is what I found. And now comes the toughest decision. What should I do, smoothie or some normal food, some real food that I need to chew? I guess normal food. That means avocado toast, of course. Because lately I've been drinking too much smoothies, probably. I've just bought a new blender, so I was exploring all these recipes. But now bread and avocado is literally the only thing I have for breakfast, and maybe some eggs. So let's make it. So this is the bread I have, some kind of a raw rye bread. And I don't have toaster. That's why I'm really energy efficient here, and I use my oven for this. So for avocado toast, obviously, here we have avocado from my morning, not mine, but morning smoothie. Here I'm gonna make some guacamole to make my avocado toast really special. Okay, avocado is not really ripe, so it will be just sliced avocado. A lot of disappointments this morning. For a poached egg, I have this cool thing, which I haven't tried yet, but I am sure it's gonna be very helpful. And now all we have to do is to put it here, like this. The only thing I'm worried is about this plastic boiling in it, but overall it's okay. What is this? I don't like this. So far we have this amazing breakfast. To my defense, it's probably the worst looking avocado toast I've done in a while. And it's time for my little snack after breakfast. I love dates. And a second coffee before it's not too late in the afternoon. Look at this, my favorite moment. I really love coffee, but I usually don't drink more than 2 per day. This is my workspace for now. I guess I'm gonna work from my kitchen. I was in the middle of my working session, but honestly it's getting hotter in here in this part of the apartment, so I think I'm gonna switch to another side, which is my office space. I'm gonna show it to you and I think you will be surprised. And I hope you like my new hairstyle. Ta-da! My working space, my desk and my chair. And also here's the most important part, or should I say essential part, of every serious office. I think we should give him a name. And I think at this point I need to introduce myself probably, right? First of all, I'm so happy to see you here. Thank you, and I'm sending you my love. So I worked as a model a little bit, and after a while I switched to iOS, mobile apps and games developer. But I'm not just coding for someone else, although it happens sometimes. I mostly focus on building my own company. So since this is only my first video, I didn't want to dive into all my working process details straight away. Instead, I wanted to tell you a little bit about the idea behind this channel and what my next videos are gonna be about. So here you're gonna see my lifestyle videos and all my girly content for sure, but also what I want to focus on is my work. So if you're interested in tech, building your own company, startup, lifestyle, makeup, productivity, breakfast, recipes, did I say makeup? Get ready with me content, clothes and fashion. So if you're just curious what entrepreneurial, I don't know how to pronounce this word. Make sure to follow this channel so you are always in the loop. Thank you. So since I'm gonna share what I'm learning, my ups and downs and all the challenges I meet and all my late night developing coding sessions, I hope to learn as much from you as you might learn from me. I really want to create a community of like-minded people, of women in particular, to really be this place of support and motivation, which is really important, I think. If this video have motivated only one person to wake up early or to do yoga or to do a cold shower in the morning, this is already a big step. So yeah, just me sharing my future plans and my big dreams with you here. And actually, here's my first tip. During your working sessions, please don't forget to stand up every hour or every at least 2 hours, do some movements, some workouts, slow, short workouts, but or maybe just to walk around your apartment or clean the kitchen, which is what I'm gonna do now. And I just got a new message that I have one more package downstairs to take. Perfect day. Should we do one more unpackaging? Oh my god, look at this beautiful, beautiful black shirts. This material is not shiny, it's more like, yeah. So now it feels like I have to show you the shorts after all those dresses, and I really like them. It's just a regular black biker shorts. It's nice for sport. So this is how my usual work day looks like. Here is my lunch. I told you I don't have anything else except for avocado in the fridge. So I'm done with my work for today, and now I'm gonna get ready for my dinner with a friend. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, just a little bit. All I'm gonna do, because I don't really have time for anything, to apply a little bit of this concealer slash foundation. I really love this brand. It's Bestman Atelier. It's very good and very convenient to have it all in just one product. And a little bit on my nose because it's always burned and it's always red. Actually, I forgot to put cream as a base under my makeup, but that's okay because it's too hot outside. So. And here is the lip balm from the same brand. I actually really love packaging. It comes with this cute bag. Again, it's very, very subtle and natural. And here's the trick. You don't really see the makeup as it is in real life on the camera, because camera usually eats a lot of the makeup products on your face. That's why when you are on model shooting or when you're an actress, you usually have a lot of makeup on your face. Even if it's a nude makeup, even if it's just something very, very natural, you still have a lot of foundation, a lot of contouring and brows, etc. So it's really heavy in the real life. When on camera, it seems like nothing. So probably now you don't even see that I'm wearing something on my face. Actually, very like my natural skin color right now because I'm a little bit tanned, so I don't need much of a bronzing. So basically I cover everything. Highlighter I don't like this highlighter by Tarte. Again, it's very hot outside, probably I won't need any highlighter. What I will do is I will take this color, blend it a little bit together, not too much, and do a little bit of contouring. And I really like this kind of nude, no makeup. But what I really need is some color on my lips. And now I'm gonna get dressed. Again, nothing fancy, and I kept it kind of casual, so. And I also decided to add a jacket on top, just in case it's gonna get colder in the evening. Now looks even better. I'm gonna eat some pasta. Excited. Beautiful streets and lighting. Well, and I'm finally home. The dinner was great. We ate pasta, desserts, and had a long conversation, so the evening was amazing. I feel a little bit tired, so I think I'm gonna go to sleep, to have some rest right now. And I also wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you so much for watching this video and for spending this day with me. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please like and subscribe to this channel to see my future video updates. And I also will be very happy to see your feedback in the comments down below. And again, thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon.